born. Plans that they stay all time for. I don't want to welcome change, but every spring it goes the same. I turn into a dog, and then I take your blame. My digging skills are good, I hope they are your praise. I make sure that your cozy hole is free from snakes and rats and moles. I clear your resting place of weeds and anything that in this place. Now that I'm a dog, I get a treat when I behave. Now the plan has gone, I use my paws to dig your grave. I'm so tired.